let's go.
Hi, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to be eating Subway for 24 hours. Yes, I am wearing a bonnet because it's literally 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm literally going to Subway early because the closest Subway to me opens at 6, so yeah. I am not being funny. I am very, very, very tired, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm in the Subway, because the Subway that is near my house doesn't have chairs, which sucks. But yeah. I literally feel so tired, but I got my Subway. Hi, it's me a few days later. So basically, with lunch, I didn't record it because I was rushing for the train. I ate my Subway while running. Yeah. I had a ham and cheese toastie with a chocolate chip cookie and water. And then I didn't do dinner because I was so sick from the poached eggs from breakfast, which is not great. I'm so sorry if this video is short and if the camera keeps on tilting, but I do hope you enjoyed the little segments of footage I have. I will try this challenge again soon. But yeah, bye.
I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, attention, don't you see, baby, this is perfection.